It's day 13, I believe, and we're actually in the Sawtooth. We just had an epic time doing a backpacking trip. Josmic and I still having a blast. If you want to check out the full video, it is available on a separate video.
Not bad, right? Yeah. Nice job. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
After the Sawtooth Mountains, we decided to head north, northern Idaho, and we had to stop for lunch, and we found this perfect little spot. We got in the shade, and yes, it actually had water, so that was definitely a perk. And then we saw some of this action.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Oh my gosh, that's gnarly. Whoa! Yeah! Sweet!
After a long day of driving, we found the perfect place to call home for the next 2 nights. It had laundry, which was nice. I think the price was like $33. It had bathrooms, it had showers. Yes, it had showers. But the vehicle also needed a wash too. So we actually went inside, scrubbed everything down.
Oh, nice
and
and clean.
Give it a nice little bath. And of course, we had to get some resupply, and it's our 25th anniversary, so we had to buy some cake, and it was just like a perfect night. We had mashed potatoes, chicken, salad. I loved it.